Hi, Georgia here with Federal Brace, and today we're introducing the Rivera Bench Support Bracket. The Rivera is your go-to solution for low-profile, high-capacity bench installations holding up to 500 pounds for an indoor or outdoor application. And if you prefer a custom look, you can get the Rivera bracket in raw steel ready to be painted. Installation is easy. When installing multiple brackets for long span benches, space your Rivera brackets no more than 30 inches apart for maximum support. With the Rivera Bench Support Bracket, you get both strength and style in one elegant package, because at Federal Brace, you get the look you want with the support you need. Thank you so much for watching. For more product information and Made in the USA innovations, visit us at federalbrace.com. We'll see you next time.